Am I audible, Prachi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Your mind and your body, they listen to you. Order them to be silent. Relax your body and relax your mind. Take long and deep breaths. Your body is related to your breath. When the body is relaxed, the breathing will be slow and steady. And also, when your breathing is slow and steady, your body will be relaxed and calm. Relax each and every cell of your body. And today, this being a very, very special day, because this Navratri of the Chaitra month, according to the Hindu calendar, is coming to an end today, and today is Ram Navami. And we have the blessings of Lord Rama with us, and also the blessings of Ma Durga. Let us make ourselves open and receptive to receiving the blessings from Ma Durga and Lord Rama. God and goddesses, they are always wanting to say Tathastu. We just need a pure heart and we just need to ask them. With a very pure heart, with lot of love and gratitude in our heart, we say our prayers in our mind. We call Ma Durga and we call Lord Rama to bless us. We ask them to guide us in our meditation, and we call them and we invite them with lot of love and gratitude to come in our meditation. Have trust and faith, and the Samarpan Bhav means submit yourself to the higher energies. You are taken care of. You will be healed, you will be empowered. Submit yourself to the higher energies. To all the higher energies, request them to guide you and to bless you. And with lot of love and gratitude, become open and receptive to receiving the blessings. Connect to the Anandamaya Kosha, that is the Anahat Chakra, that is the place near your heart in the center. There, there you are. See yourself there as a small speck of light, and you're receiving golden light from Lord Rama and Ma Durga. You have started receiving the golden light from the higher energies. See yourself in the Anahat Chakra, the Anandamaya Kosha, the speck of light which you are, that is getting bigger and brighter and bigger and brighter. And bigger. This golden light is spreading all over your body. From head to toe, entire body is now filled up with this golden light. The divine blessings, the divine grace, divine healing, divine empowerment. Feel this in each and every cell of your body. Amazing, lovely. You can feel that energy there. And now, feel the blessings from Lord Rama. Receive all the energies from Lord Rama. See yourself now completely immersed in this golden light. The golden light area has increased and it is now surrounding your body. Imagine your body is enclosed in a ball of golden light. It's almost like a protection sheath for you, healing, empowering, and protecting you. And you're receiving more and more golden light in the Anandmaya Kosha. And your aura, the realm of golden light, the golden ball is increasing in size. When you inhale, you're receiving the golden light, the blessings. And when you exhale, the golden light ball surrounding you is increasing and becoming bigger and larger. When you inhale, inhale all the blessings with golden light. When you exhale, the golden ball has become as big as your home, bigger than the home, bigger than your residence, and it is encompassing the entire structure where you're staying right now. Breathe in lot of blessings. And now when you breathe out, increase this golden ball to the size of your colony, your city, your country, and the entire of the world. You are the center of this golden ball covering the entire of the world, still increasing and covering the entire of the universe. And you are the center emanating this, emanating the light from the Lords through you. Visualize, be in this state, connect to each and every one within this light ball, all the animated as well as the inanimated objects. We are all one. And we are connected. Feel it, experience it. This golden light, this stands for love, for bliss, for compassion, for gratitude, for gratefulness, for trust, faith. And this is what you're spreading to each and every one you know and you don't know. To all the animated as well as the inanimated objects. And you're connected, you're connected, you're connected. To one and all. Experience it. And we have a sound therapy. And the music in the background is a sound therapy. connect to it. To help us reach higher heights. This music will help you reach greater depths. Connect to everyone and then dive deep into yourself. Connect to that small speck of point, small speck of light, which has now become huge and covering the entire of the universe. And in this universe, see a golden ball from the Bhuloka, from the earth to infinitive, to the Parabrahma Loka. Dive deep into this golden ball and find yourself there. Everything that is there is within. Explore, connect, experience. Express your gratitude to Lord Rama. Seek his guidance and receive his blessings. Everything is within. Go deep within. Amazing. There is great energy in our group right now. Make yourself open and receptive to this energy. Gather all the energies. Connect yourself to the blessings from Ma Durga and Lord Rama. Connect yourself to the energies of this group. Connect yourself to the higher you. Last few minutes, gather up all the energies, gather the blessings, make the most from this. Thank Ma Durga and thank Lord Rama for all their guidance and blessings. And receive. Last 5 minutes. Catch the frequency of the words. The frequency is more important than the meaning of the word. Energy, vibration, frequency is all that is. This mantra of Lord Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, is basically a frequency which is increasing your frequency, energy, vibration. It's scientific. Get tuned in to this dhoom. We have just 2 more minutes. With this, tune into the blessings of Lord Rama. Gather all the blessings, gather all the divine energies. We have last 15 seconds. Find all the cells in your body charged and energized. We will slowly come back to the consciousness. We will count down from 10 to 1, and at the count of 1, you would all be back in the state of consciousness. 10, come back to consciousness. 9, 8, 7, 6. You can slowly move the fingers of your hands and feet. Very slowly, just move the fingers. 5, Feel the atmosphere around you. 4. Listen to all the sound around you. 3. Feel your body. 2. You're back in your conscious state. 1. You're fully awake. Place both your hands on your eyes. Gather all the energies, gather the vibrations and the higher frequencies. Gather all the blessings. And you can slowly open your eyes. Namaste.
Namaste.
Yes. Namaste. Over to you, Prachi.
Namaste, ma'am. Thank you so much. It was a wonderful meditation. I was lost completely. I couldn't come back for a second. I have to gather my voice. If there is any questions, any sharing, please go ahead. Please raise your hand one by one. There was a question before. It says, is Panch Bhuta and Panch Tattva same?
At a broader level, okay, let us understand. Pancha Tattva means basically the principles, and the Pancha Mahabhuta is the 5 elements. So only the word which describe that is different, but the 5 elements is basically the same. It is, as we said, the fire, the air, the space, the earth, and the water elements. Our body is made up of these 5 elements. Our entire earth is made up of this element, and the entire universe also is made up of this element. And not just that, but the proportion also is the same.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
The second question is,
Yeah,
somebody asked where can they find the aura tester?
Right. I just typed the message here. You can call on this number. It's of course call or WhatsApp also probably. I'm in India. And there you can get this informations. Yeah.
The third question is again by Amita. She said, can you recommend an Ayurvedic doctor?
Oh, where? I mean, do you want to personally visit him in your city, or where do you stay? Where exactly?
I'm in the US, but someone in India, I can do Zoom sessions, and I know a lot of people do that.
Oh, I'm actually not aware of any doctor who's doing online
Okay.
sessions or yeah. But for any of your issues, even Dr. Biswarup Roy Chaudhary, we just had his session yesterday, and there is good. He has this helpline number, and he has this free service of helping everyone. So you can follow
Okay.
that.
I don't want anything free. I would I need to try something. So
You can just you see, there's nothing for free. Whatever you receive, you can just pass on. The more you give, the more you get. Be open to receiving and be open to giving. Just
that's a
be a,
beautiful sentiment. Thank you.
yes.
If
And
And we have a
go ahead.
healing center at Me Holistic Center, where we have healing and Me Healing and Empowering one venture is there, under which we have around 17 therapies. Actually, currently, I'm not finding much time to give personal healings or personal this thing, but you can still WhatsApp and we can see if we can about your problem also. In fact,
Mhm.
Krati also is here, and I think Krati has a yeah, Prachi, I would also like to share that. Yeah, you can contact Krati on this number. That is 99977999491, and she can also guide you, and we can probably suggest.
I was about to say the same thing. Ma'am, you don't need any Ayurvedic doctor. You can just call her she does a personal counseling also. She has, again, as I said in the beginning, she is a psychotherapist also. She's also a counselor, even for the children's. So anything you need, she also does a 21-day holistic program, which is where we started, and currently that program is going on. So maybe the next program I can provide the information whenever it starts, and you can just, all you need is to work on yourself. That's what she has taught us, and you don't need any doctor. So yeah, but you can always contact her. She has provided the cell number and also to Kratiji's number.
Yes, thank you, Prachi. Ultimately, your doctor, your guru, everything is within you. It is only that you have to connect to that. So, till the time that you just connect to the guru within yourself or the doctor within yourself, the light within yourself, maybe there can be some instruments here and there, like Prachi and me or anyone.
Thank you.
Yes.
Is there any more questions by anybody? I don't see it anymore.
Yeah, Prachi, I would also like to add that, Krati has been appreciating you so much. And Krati was, I think she was attending all your sessions. And I always wanted to hear you and attend your session. And it has really been wonderful to see you here. Lovely job, Prachi, Komal. And there was one more question in the start, I think Amitaji was saying, and I would like to talk about it, which is also related to Prachi, Komal here and Amitaji's question. That, even if, like Amitaji said, that, I want to change, but I also know that if I change, my family members won't change and they would, sort of oppose. And so that is a feeling that every one of us have been through it. And everyone who has, in fact, even Prachi and Komal, when they were in the first session of 21 days holistic program, they had a change in the lifestyle, in the sattvic, everything, ahar, vihar and everything. And then the family members were not supporting them. In fact, Prachi also told me, we also have Sharda ji, Prachi's mom, and Komal ji is also namaste, and Prachi was namaste, pranam. With due respect to you,
Namaste.
Sharda ji.
Namaste. Namaste.
Namaste. Namaste, pranam.
Pranam.
So what also
कैसे
happened
हो?
in the due course, all good, बस. तो पहले शारदा जी भी इनके साथ में नहीं थे, अभी ये उल्टा हुआ कि प्राची जी, कोमल जी, आई डोंट सी राज जी हियर टुडे. Prachi's dad and Komal's
He's doing his own meditation right
father-in-law.
now. Yeah, this is his own soul meditation time.
Lovely, lovely. So Prachi ji or Komal ji, because of them, every one of their home, they have joined in, and we have Raj ji also, and in fact we also have Sharda ji here who have also joined in this lifestyle.
And
So
my mom, she's in India. She also joined.
Yeah, lovely, lovely. And yesterday, I think your brother was there in Dr. Biswarup Roy Chaudhary's session. So Krati was telling me, he was asking a question. So the solution to this, Amita ji, is that we work on ourselves first. And when we work on ourselves, our members, they see the positive change in us and then they want to join us. And these people, including, Krati, and they used to call me, bhoot hai, कि 4 बजे उठती है. So morning 4 o'clock is not the time to wake up. 4 to 5 is the time of the bhoot, and is what they used to jokingly say. And now they say even we have become bhoots and we wake up in the Brahma Muhurat and we do meditation morning 4 to 5. So that transformation first happens in us. Then when we are through it and we are reached at a state of bliss, the people around us see that they also want to become like us and they will then join you. So first thing is work on ourselves only. And yes, Sharda ji, if you can share any of your experiences. So
Okay.
आप
मम्मी को
आप
नहीं
में भी नहीं, क्योंकि क्योंकि शारदा जी
नहीं,
ने
बस
भी ये अनुभव लिया था. शारदा जी भी पहले प्राची जी और कोमल जी के साथ में बाद में ज्वाइन हुए. तो आपका ये जो जर्नी था, जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जर्नी था, तो अगर आप शेयर करेंगे तो सभी को इसमें बेनिफिट मिलेगा, फायदा होगा.
हिंदी में ही बोलो, बट जो भी आपको, जैसे आप पहले नेगेटिव थे और अभी आप कैसे पॉजिटिव हो गए, उसे वही आपको बताना है बस.
नमस्ते. मैं क्या पहले मेरे को बिल्कुल विश्वास नहीं करती थी मेडिटेशन में. आवाज आ रही मेरी?
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल अच्छी से. नमस्ते, बताइए.
हाँ, मैं बिल्कुल विश्वास नहीं करती थी, लेकिन मेरे को प्राची ने इतना फोर्स किया कि मम्मी भले आप 5 मिनट बैठो, फिर धीरे धीरे 10 मिनट 15 मिनट ऐसे कर करके आप बैठो। अब अल्टीमेटली मैं 1 घंटा बराबर प्रॉपर बैठ जाती हूँ। और पहले मेरे बैठने से बहुत पैरों में कम मतलब मचलन होती थी, भड़कन होती थी, बैठा नहीं जाता था, बहुत परेशानी, अपसेट हो जाती थी, बड़बड़ाने लग जाती थी मैं। और अब मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है, बहुत शांति मिलती है, 1 घंटा आराम से बैठ जाती हूँ। ये सब मेरी प्राची ने भी मेरे को बहुत फोर्स किया, कोमल ने फोर्स किया, और उसी वजह से मैं कर पाई। और अब तो मैंने एक दिन भी नहीं करती तो मुझे अच्छा ही नहीं लगता। मैंने आज मेडिटेशन ही नहीं किया, मैंने तो अब अच्छा लगता है, काफी रिलैक्स महसूस करती हूँ, काफी दिमाग में शांति रहती है मेरे को। थैंक यू
बहुत
मंजूश्री, आपका भी बहुत सुना मैंने। प्राची और कोमल
नहीं
दिन भर
नहीं
आपकी
नहीं
तारीफ
नहीं
करती रहती है, तो बोले नहीं
ये
मंजूश्री
तो
का आप सुनो सुबह जल्दी उठ के। मैंने कहा मैं सुबह इतने जल्दी नहीं उठ सकती हूँ, बाद में अगर दोपहर को या शाम के टाइम आएगा तो मैं पहुंच सुन सकती हूँ, पर सुबह 4 बजे मेरे से उठना मेरे से नहीं होता है। मेरी नींद खराब हो जाती है तो मेरा बीपी बढ़ जाता है, वो मेरे से पॉसिबल नहीं होता है, इसलिए मैं आपका सुबह नहीं अटेंड कर पाती सही जन। सो
यस,
सॉरी।
नहीं,
कोई
बट
बात नहीं,
मम्मी शाम को
थैंक यू फॉर
अटेंड करते हैं।
शेयरिंग।
शाम को आप अटेंड करते हो ना मंजू मैम का 5 बजे
हाँ
वाला? हाँ,
आज शाम को मैं रेगुलर नहीं करती हूँ, आपका कभी कभी करती हूँ, क्योंकि टाइमिंग ऐसा होता है कि मैं नहीं कर पाती हूँ। बच्चों का टाइम होता है और दोपहर में भी नहीं कर पाती हूँ, ये भी कराते हैं तो मैं नहीं कर पाती हूँ। लंच का टाइम होता है और शाम को ये काम भी हो जाता है दिया बत्ती के टाइम पर, तो शाम को भी मैं कभी कर पाती हूँ कभी नहीं, पर हाँ मैं एनी टाइम कभी भी करती जरूर हूँ।
यस, थैंक यू फॉर योर शेयरिंग शारदा जी, बहुत बढ़िया।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू
बहुत बहुत
थैंक
बढ़िया, और
यू।
आपके अंदर का ये
मैम।
ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन देख के बहुत खुशी हुई।
मैम आपने करवा दिया आज, मैं बोल बोल के थक गई उनको शेयर करने के लिए, उन्होंने नहीं किया। आज आपने बोला तो मम्मी ने शेयर कर दिया।
उनके दिल की आवाज है।
मतलब मेरे को
और
इतना बोलने की आदत
ये
नहीं है, लेकिन आज थोड़ी हिम्मत आ रही है कि थोड़ा थोड़ा बोल लेती हूँ, पहले कभी शेयर नहीं करती थी किसी से मैं,
हाँ,
और
वो दिल
सुनती
की
जरूर थी
आवाज
सबकी
है।
बातें। और अब
बढ़िया,
अच्छा लगता है कि जब किसी से बात करते हैं, मिलते जुलते, तो अच्छा लगता है। थैंक यू।
बहुत बढ़िया, थैंक यू। ये आपकी अंदर की आवाज है, और यस, प्राची जी और कोमल जी का बड़प्पन है कि इतना पॉजिटिविटी वो सब जगह देख सकते हैं। एंड आई थिंक प्राची, रविंद्र जी
रविंद्र
कुछ
जी, हाँ।
कहना चाह रहे हैं।
सर यू ना अनम्यूट, या यू आर अनम्यूट, या।
नमस्कार।
नमस्ते।
Prachi ji, is it possible to share her number to me?
I think she has already shared the number in the chat.
That is
But I will.
7843. 7843
Yeah, 7843 000741.
00741.
I have typed it in the chat box. Yes.
Okay. So I can call you.
Yeah, this is this is me
I'm in
holistic
India only.
numbers.
I'm from
okay.
Bombay. Okay.
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 Thank you.
So
It's a
Ravindra,
nice.
yeah, Ravindra sir, you
Yeah.
want to say just a little bit about yourself? Has a no. Okay. All right, I'll leave it on you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Manjushri ji, really
Yes.
it is beautiful. And the soap, what you said, the mud soap, where it will be available.
This is at our, we have a Me Healthy Shopee basically. Of course, all
Okay.
the things which I say are not available at the Me Healthy Shopee, but we try to keep all such things which are healthy. In fact,
Okay.
Me Healthy Shopee is just a platform to provide healthy, natural, and eco-friendly products. So some
Okay.
of them we do have there,
Okay.
and that's an amazing product. You can really try it.
No, rather
Yes, one
that's
more
right.
thing.
Yeah.
I would just like to add on this. Prachi, can we have a minute? How are we placed in the terms of time?
Ma'am, time is fine. If everybody is here past 10:30, they're all with you.
So I will just take a moment and just like to say this. Most of the times our life has been, sort of ruined by these commercials. The advertisements which have, installed in our mind that till the time you have that, you know, face नहीं होता है तब तक skin स्वच्छ नहीं होती है, या दांत स्वच्छ नहीं होते हैं. I don't know, face को क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग इंग्लिश में प्राची? झाग, face.
Foam.
Yes, thank you. Till the time that you don't have the chemicals, soap and the chemical toothpaste, and till the time that you don't have the white color foam coming out, till that time your tooth is not going to be cleaned and your body is not going to be cleaned. But actually that is not the case. You can just go back to what our ancients used to do. And the best is they used to have this koila, and that is the coal, and the salt. And Agnihotra Vibhuti with rock salt is an ultimate teeth cleaner. And now you have advertisements which are also saying कि आपके toothpaste में कोयला है क्या? आपके toothpaste में नमक है क्या?
Namak,
So is there coal and salt in your toothpaste? But actually that sodium lauryl sulfate, that is actually a chemical. Most of these things, you know, which have these chemicals, how they have come up is, there was in the Second World War, there was this companies who used to produce the bombs and, you know, the other chemicals. When the World War ended, these companies have been transformed into the pesticides, into the chemical making or allopathy medicine making industries. And that is all the tamsikta which is going within us, and the effect of Kali Yuga also. But even in the Kali Yuga, it is possible that we can live a sattvic life and we can make a Satyuga. For us, it's a Satyug. So let us just be little more aware and be very keen and use the natural products and be away from the commercials basically, because their aim is to earn money and that is not where we wish to go. Yeah, so I think that's it, and lovely. Thank you so much, Praj.
There is one or two more raised.
Okay,
Are you okay
yeah,
to
we
take
can
it?
have questions, no issues.
Yeah. Sajal, so I know what you want to go ahead and say it out loud.
Yeah, I mean, so basically, lately we have seen like a lot of organic products, right? So there's a kind of myth that if you're more inclined towards organic products, they are much safer than what the daily products that we use. But by looking at the experiment that we have seen today, I mean, it's like kind of myth busted. So not all organic products are safe.
Right.
In fact, I would say like organic products are like kind of myth.
Right.
Thank you, Sajal. He wanted to share the experience.
Right. Right. In fact, I would
Tauji, you
also like
wanna
to
share
add on
something?
this, what Sajalji just said, that see, the organic products, always whenever you are connecting to any, you know, product or any person, anything, see the intention, see the mission behind that. The organic companies have come up to make money. If making money is the intention, they will by hook or by crook get something more to get money. See, the best possible thing is growing your own crop, growing each and everything that you need yourself on your land. What our ancestors would do? दूध और बेसन से नहाते थे. Besan, that is the chana dal flour, and the kacha milk, the raw milk. That is the best body cleanser. Use that as the soap. If that is not possible, you can have the mud soap also. You can make your own mud soap also you do. My kids, you know, they have become so much into this sattvic lifestyle. I used to at times, you know, wash the hands after the toilet with the soap. But my son will refuse to use the soap because it is, you know, chemical. For him, I have to keep mud, and the mud soap is what he uses to wash the hands. Otherwise, he say, I don't want to wash with the chemical thing. So grow your own crops. Now we have vegetables. Neerath, get me that basket, vegetables basket. Okay. Even if we refrigerate something, the refrigeration is producing CFC chemical. And that is again going to make your the sattvic fruits also tamasic. So what I do now is I do this. I store the fruits like this. So the pyramid is something you know, probably, if Prachi, they are aware. Yeah, so the pyramid has that energy which increases the, you know, which the life, the shelf life. The Pyramid of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the world, where the body of King Pharaoh is still intact. Why? The magic of the pyramid. That is the golden proportion, which is 1 is to 1.618034. If you just use that, you can just transform your life. See, this is how the
There is a little connection issue.
when I get this from the market, do I know if it is chemically sprayed or not? Okay, I can come to know from the energies or the different machines. But the common layman, what does he do? The ultimate solution is grow your own crop. And if that is not possible, one more thing is you can just soak this in the Agnihotra Vibhuti. This Agnihotra Vibhuti, you take just one pinch, you soak it, soak the vegetables in this, make a bowl of water, put a half teaspoon of Agnihotra Vibhuti, soak the vegetables for half an hour. It absorbs all the tamsikta. It will remove all the tamsikta, the negativity from that. And in fact, I can also suggest that we have made very small 10 rupee ka Agnihotra Vibhuti sachets, that pouches available. For trial, I put the Agnihotra Vibhuti here and here. You will see a drastic change in your energy. So you can order that for the 10 rupees trial pack. You can just see and just have this for 6 months. You can use that in 10 rupees. So a good deal.
That is very true. We, because of ma'am, only me and Komal have started doing Agnihotra here in our house. And I think some of you have heard my experience about the light bulb. Ma'am, one more time, if you can share your experience about the phone, just so that they believe me also.
Okay, there have been several such incidences, and this was, I think, probably almost 3 years ago. I would wake up at 4, and in my bed only, I would start studying Bhagavad Gita. I had these 2 mobiles. Oh, they are here now. This mobile had the internet connection, and I would study the internet on the internet here on my bed itself. And the other phone, it was kept here itself, this place only. And in this phone, there was a recording of the Bhagavad Gita teacher where I used to go to learn Bhagavad Gita also along with the online studies. And the chapter 2, the Adhyaya, the shloka number 14, Matra Sparshastu Kaunteya Shitoshna Sukha Dukkada. That shloka, she had given the explanation related to that for 1 hour, which was in this mobile. While I was studying Bhagavad Gita on my bed, and there is no one in the house, I stay alone. So I was just thinking that this was just a 5-minute explanation and this is not sufficient. I want to listen to what my teacher had said, which I had recorded in this mobile. With only this thought, this mobile, that shloka got started. And to the surprise, the shloka started exactly on Matra Sparshastu Kaunteya Shitoshna Sukha Dukkada. Even if I would have, wanted to put it on, I would need at least half an hour to search because there was 15, 16 hours recording. It was not organized and it would have taken time. And there have been so many such incidences. My car, the petrol was out of petrol. It got, during the lockdown time, the severe peak lockdown time, I didn't pay attention towards the petrol. It just turned off. I realized there is no petrol. I just did the energy charging. With energy charging, it took me 2 kilometers till the petrol pump. Otherwise, it would have been difficult. So this small things, and that time, 3 years ago, when this Bhagavad Gita started, the first thing that came to my mind was, यहाँ पे भूत है क्या? So because logically that is all that we can think, na, ki how can this start on its own? And there has been so many hundreds and thousands of experiences which we get every day. But what we say, ittafaq hoga, it would be a mere coincidence because we are not, accustomed to, or the mindset is not such that we can absorb the spirituality. And in fact, I was Nastik. I was a Nastik 3 years ago. And going to this Narmada Parikrama without money is what made a difference in my life, of course. And of course, the Agnihotra Gita, etc. My mom, who's a very religious person used to force me when I was a kid to go to the temples. And that's why I always rebelled. So yes, that is how it is.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, initially when we heard, we didn't believe it too. But when things started happening with me and Komal, I mean, we believe it now. So and I know I've been speaking all this time. I'm gonna have Komal speak up a little bit and pay gratitude and say thank you note for Manju ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I also have started having those
Experiences?
yes. I was thinking like from school that day that I just want to go home like hour early. And as soon as I went in the office, they told me like, just go home, just have fun. I said like, what? They never let me go a minute early. And that day it was like an hour early. I was like so happy. And the same day, 3 experiences happened in a row. Like 3 experiences happened in a row. And I was thinking, and it just happened like in a minute. So I was like so happy. I was sharing it to Didi, like it's happening now. I'm so happy. Thank you, ma'am. And I never knew all those things what Didi said in the beginning about you. And then we know ma'am from 8 months and we never knew because she never talks about herself this much. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming and thank you for bringing light to our lives.
Yes. Thank you, Komal. I'm so happy to be here. Your light is within you, and where you have reached, you are reaching more and more and helping others. It's lovely and really happy to see this.
Thank you,
you.
मंजूश्री आपको. Thank you, मंजूश्री आपको once again. तुम्हें प्राची को और प्राची को और कोमल को आपने बहुत चेंज कर दिया.
We all will clap for Manjushri madam.
That's all within you. Please. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you so much.
Everything is within. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah,
Really
thanks.
appreciate. Yes,
I
Kathy.
too appreciate this journey of yours. Prachi and Komal, keep going. Lovely.
Thank you,
God
ma'am.
bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you, Prachi.
Thank you,
you so much.
Shashi.
Thank you. Namaste.
Shashi, that is only a virtual ring.
Yeah, it's looking amazing actually.
Everybody keeps asking me about the ring, and my son does it every time before I sit on camera. If it's not there, he comes and set it up for me every time. He just came. It was not on when I logged in, but he came and did it. So it's just a virtual, like a virtual background. It's a virtual ring.
Okay.
That's lovely, Komal. It's really amazing.
ताऊ जी आपको कुछ बोलना है आप मुझे आपने पहले हाथ अच्छा that is
thank you
that is Papa's
thank you very
brother
much.
in Surat.
Hi, yes. Namaste.
Thank you.
Tauji. Thank
मैं
you.
आपको सुनकर बहुत अच्छा लगा. एक बार पहले सुना था, आज दूसरी बार आपको सुन रहा हूँ. और प्राची और राज ने हमें भी इस लाइन में ले लिया है. आज करीब 2 महीने ऊपर हो गए हैं हमें. और
बहुत बढ़िया.
धीरे-धीरे हम भी इस लाइन में आ रहे हैं. ठीक है, my progress is slow, very slow. My progress is, but I think that time will take and we will come in the full fledged.
Going in the right direction is all that matters. If the direction is right, forget the speed. Sooner
Slow
or
and steady
later.
win the game.
Right.
Apart from that, slow and steady win the game.
Yes,
But
yes.
that is the thing.
Yes. And ये जो experience है ताऊजी का, ये प्राची जी you can share with Amita ji also. She was just saying na.
Yes, I will.
Asking that the family members would oppose. So this.
Yes,
God
thank
bless
you,
Recording.
ma'am. Thank you.
Recording.
Thank you, everybody, for being here.